Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how we can change the group loan amount, group installment amount. So just have a look. So for from the group management, I will go to the create group and let's create one new group. So let's say Nashik and just click to create. Now in this group, if you scroll down, you can see. So I think so. Just refresh the page. Okay. Just click here, Nashik, and create. So here we need to select this, and then we can check the group details. Okay. So by mistake, I have created two. I can delete one and just go to the profile and create profile. So I will create three members from the Nashik group. So let's say Nandakishore, save. You can go to the create profile again and just select the group name. Then go to the group create profile again and just select the group name. Okay, so I have created three members. Now you go to the G dash Nashik and here you need to view the members. So here we need to publish this group. Click to publish and now we can create the loan for these three members. So I will create the group loan of let's say 5,000 amount, rate of interest 3% monthly for 6 months. Now we need to create this backdated as let's say for the December 2022 and the installment start date also December 2022. Now you calculate this. So before calculating, you need to select the group members. Now here three members are there. Just this agent commission I will delete here and calculate and save. See three here you can see three loans are created 93, 94 and 95. Now if I go to the group management uh, collection, group collection list. So here I will just select the Nashik group. Here you can see total due is 5898. So if I click here in the three members account, here you can see each member due is 1966 amount. 1966. So let's say the total amount is 5898. But customer is paying, so I will just from the calculator 5898 divided by 2. So only half amount I will receive now. So that is 2949. So now how I can edit this? I will click to the three members link and the amount is 2949. So I will just re-enter here 2949 and set group amount. So yes. So I have set this amount. I will just close this.